Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to import our wallet. Right here there are two options, namely create new wallet in case you want to create a new wallet, else add existing wallet. You can select this section if you want to import, restore or view only. For now I want to import it, so I'm going to click on this right here. Now it's going to ask me a few options like this. Add existing wallet using the secret phase, Swift, Google Drive backup or only view only wallet. Select whichever you used in order to sign up. For me it was Google Drive backup, so I'm going to click on it. Now from here what you guys need to do is simply select the wallet from right here. As you can see, this right here is my wallet. I'm gonna click on it right now. Likewise, it's gonna ask me to enter my password. Denote that I had previously saved the password. That's why it is showing something like this. I'm gonna enter my password right now. And guys, that is it. As soon as you enter your password, you will be logged in. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we import your wallet into Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.